Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize watch faces and add widgets on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. To customize your watch face, you have to hold down your finger on the existing watch face, and then if you want to customize the existing one, select edit, and now you can switch between parts that you are customizing by sliding the screen either to the left or to the right. This way you can change the character. To change options, you have to move the slider using your move the digital crown, and this way select the option that you need. Now this way you can also change the numerals, in my case color, and the complications. Additionally, if you want to customize a new watch face, you can swipe the screen to the right and then tap on the plus icon to add a new watch face, then add one of the watch faces from the list. For example, let's go to the new watch faces, then let's add maybe this one, and as you can see here, we also can customize it right away, even before we install it. So you can change the typeface, the background, the color, etc. And once you're ready to apply it, you just have to press the crown, the digital crown, and then tap on your new watch face. Now, how to add widgets. Move the screen to the top to open the widgets menu, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the widgets list, select edit. And now to add a new widget, tap the plus icon and then select the widget you want to add. Here are some suggestions, and below you can see the apps list that have widgets for them. So just select an app from which you want to add a widget, and then select either the widget that you see on the screen or one of the several widgets you see on the screen, and this way you will add a widget to your widgets list. To remove it, tap the red circle icon, and additionally you can also manage your widget suggestions. If you scroll to the bottom of the list, you will see the widget suggestions that will appear on your screen on your widgets list if you don't disable them. If you want to disable widget suggestions, you can go right here and then switch this toggle to the left, and then the widget suggestions will not display on your widgets list. And that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.